In this quick video, let's learn how to use the index function in Excel. The index function returns the value of a cell, based on its row and column number in a range. Think of it like picking a specific seed from a table row 3, column 2. Here's the basic formula. Equals index, array, row underscore number, column underscore number. Let's break that down. Array is your data range like a table. Row number tells Excel which row to look in. Column number tells it which column to return the value from. Here's an example. Say you have a table from B8 to I17 with date, item sold, price, quantity sold, amount, VAT and total amount. If you type equals index open bracket select range B8 to I17 comma row number 2 column number 5 then close brackets. Excel will return the value from row 2, column 5, that's the quantity sold on second day. If you're only working with a single column like just names in A2 A6, you can skip the column number. Equals index open brackets F8 to F17 row number 4 and close brackets. This gives you the fourth quantity in the list. The best part? Index doesn't break if you rearrange your data, unlike VLOOKUP. And that's it. Index is fast, flexible, and super useful for data lookups. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Do for more short Excel lessons. Thanks for watching.